Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam-o-alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you types of research. In this video, I will discuss 4 types: descriptive research, exploratory research, relational and causal research. So let's get started. First one is descriptive research. Descriptive research attempts to answer what is happening. This type of research describes the reality. For example, if we conduct a public poll to know what percentage of people will be voting for PMLN or PTI in the local bodies elections, we are interested in conducting descriptive research. Second type is exploratory research. Exploratory research is concerned with theory development, seeking to explain some new social phenomena. For example, if we conduct a study on intra-party elections in Pakistan, to understand its dynamics, we are interested in exploratory research. Third type is relational research. Relational research is concerned with understanding the relationship between two or more than two variables. For example, if we conduct a study to know which particular caste will be voting for PMLN or PTI in the local bodies elections, we are interested in looking for a relationship between caste and voting preference. In relational research, we are simply interested in studying correlation, which means that two or more than two variables change together. Fourth type is causal research. When a study is conducted to know whether one or more independent variables that can be manipulated or that cause a change generate or cause an effect in one or more dependent variables, we are interested in establishing a causal relationship. To study the cause of change by manipulating one or more variables is called causal research. For example, if we ask the respondents whether the election campaigning of PMLN or PTI for the local bodies elections has changed or strengthened their voting preference, we will be interested in seeing a causal relation between campaigning and voting preference. Here the campaigning will be cause and voting preference will be effect.